Tmien Franċiżi ġew salvati mill-Forzi Armati ta' Malta s-sibt filgħaxija wara l-cabin cruiser Bertie S li kienu fuqha inkaljat wara l-laqtet sikka fil-Merkanti Reef, sit popolari ħafna mal-Dghajsa l barra mid-Dragonara f'San Ġiljan. L-inċident seħħ l-ħabta ta' 9:30 ta' filgħaxija. Ftit tal-ħin wara dgħajsa oħra li kienet fil-qrib rat il-cabin cruiser li kienet jagħmel l-ilma u immedjatament Jeanot Kwenzel, instruktur tal-għadż Ġermaniż li jgħix f'Malta, u tfajla tiegħu Patricia Camilleri marru jagħtu l-għajnuna tagħhom sakemm waslet l-għajnuna tal-Forzi Armati. Fuq il-post waslu l-Melita 1 u l-Patrol Boat P21 tal-Forzi Armati li waslu lill-Franċiżi lejn il-bajja ta' Spinola fejn kien hemm ambulanza li ħadet il-persuni lejn l-Isptar Mater Dei għall-kura. Dan l-istazzjon tkellem ma' Jean u Patricia qabel il-ħadd wara nofsinhar reġgħu ħarġu fejn il-cabin cruiser wara li tqabdu mis-sidien biex jirkupraw xi affarijiet personali tal-Franċiżi.
Realized that there was something white on the reef. Then Trish said, let's go over and have a look, and it was in fact a boat that just had crashed. Well, we went around the wreck, had a look, beeped the horn a couple of times. Boat was abandoned, and it was quite wavy, quite windy. And then we just heard this faint noise over the sound of the engine, of people yelling in the water. And it was hard to spot them, hard to see where they were. And they were very quickly drifting towards Dragonara. So we picked them out of the water, as careful as possible, but as fast as we could. Some of them very much in pain, bloody. We got 6 people out of the water.
Abbord il-cabin cruiser il-Franċiżi ħallew numru ta' oġġetti personali bħal ċwievet, dokumenti kif ukoll flus fost oħrajn. It-tama ta' Jean kienet li xejn minn dawn l-oġġetti ma nsterqu hekk kif matul il-ġurnata kienu diversi dgħajjes privati li deru jduru mal-cabin cruiser.
Basically, the owner yesterday just asked whether we could, if possible, recover any personal belongings because they came out of the water and what they were wearing, swim clothes, you know. So wallets, ID cards, money, all that stuff is hopefully still on that wreck. Although all day today, while taking divers out, I've seen people go close to the wreck and probably take whatever they could.
Jean u tfajla tiegħu kellhom kliem ta' tifħira l-ħidma professjonali u l-għajnuna immedjata li sabu mingħand il-Forzi Armati biex il-Franċiżi setgħu jiġu salvati.